So India State of Forest Report is a biannual report prepared by Forest Survey of India and released by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So in this topic, we will discuss the organization responsible for preparation of report and the importance of forest cover, the major highlights of the reports. Then we will see increase and decrease in forest area, ranking of states in terms of forest area, and other relevant information for your CLAT examination. So these are the 5 things that we will discuss in this topic. So let's start. Now the organization. So first thing you have to remember that which organization is responsible for preparing this and under which ministry it comes. So ISFR report 2021 is released by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and prepared by Forest Survey of India. It is a biennial report by Forest Survey of India of the assessment of forest resource. So biennial report means every 2 years. So this year it is released 2021, and before that in 2019 it was released. So this is about the organization and the ministry. So the importance of forest cover. The country's forest policy, that is National Forest Policy, targeted forest area and tree cover for over 33% of total geographical area. So the target is 33% of total geographical area. So this is the target under the National Forest Policy. So around 33% or 1/3 of the land should be under the forest cover. So why we need this much forest cover? Because forests help in conservation of natural environment, and inadequate forest cover will have the following implications. That is, tribals will be affected because they live in the forest area. Animals, their habitat will be disrupted, and birds will lose their habitat. Destruction of forests would also affect the food chain. The other important thing about forest cover is it acts as a carbon sink. So importance of forest. So carbon sink, first thing you have to remember, habitat for animals. After that, for food and livelihood of communities depending on forest or living near forest. And also, when forest area is decreasing, more chances of human-animal conflict. Why this happens? Because there is less area because what happens when the forest is cleared, so it becomes an open space. So habitat for animal is reduced and their food is also reduced. So when their food is reduced, so they go toward the village side or city side in search of food. So then they come into contact with human being, and therefore it leads to human-animal conflict where humans also died, animals also died. So this is other thing. Now, major highlights of the report. So forest cover has increased by 2261 kilometer in last 2 years, and total forest cover area is 24.62%, and required is 33% as per policy, National Forest Policy. And the maximum growth seen in Andhra Pradesh in past 2 years, that is 647 square kilometer. So growth 226, to total 226 kilometer is the growth, and out of this 2261, 1540 and 721. So this 1540 is for increase in forest cover, and this is in tree cover, and it is in comparison to 2019 report. So forest cover is classified in terms of density. As per density, forest cover is classified. There's very dense forest, moderately dense forest, open forest, scrub, and non-forest. So very dense forest, all lands with tree canopy of 70% and above. So all those land where tree have canopy of more than 70% are known as very dense forest. As you can see, there's a tree canopy is very dense. Now moderately dense is tree canopy between 40% but less than 70%, 40 to 70. So here more than 70, here more than 40, less than Year more than 40 and less than 70. So in 40 to 70, this is moderately. Now open forest, density of 10% and more, but less than 40%. Scrub forest land with canopy density of less than 10%, less than 10%, less than 10%. Lands not included in any of the above class includes water. This is non-forest area. So division on the basis of very dense, moderately dense, open forest, scrub, and non-forest. So this is moderately dense forest, this is open, and this is scrub. So you have to remember this. Increase in forest cover in past 2 years. That is as per 2021 ISFR report. So we have to see how much it was increased. 2261 kilometer. 2261 square kilometer. Highest maximum growth in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Karnataka, and Jharkhand. So you have to memorize for your CLAT examination, because they can directly ask this question: which of the states saw maximum increase in forest area in past 2 years as per India State Forest Report. So highest is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. You just have to remember top three, that is Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Odisha. So these three, that is Andhra Pradesh highest, then Telangana, and then Odisha. So these three. Now reason for increase. So why there is increase, though even though construction activities are taking place, developmental activities are taking place, then also we are seeing an increase year by year as per Indian State of Forest Report. So first reason is afforestation. So government has come up with many afforestation policy. There is a CAMPA, there is a national afforestation policy. Because of afforestation, the forest cover is increasing. Now conservation. Government has also come up various conservation plan, national afforestation policy, CAMPA is there, conservation. The WHO and the World Bank also came up with different plans and supporting national governments in their conservation drives. Then plantation drives. Then there is agroforestry protections. This CAMPA, it is compensatory afforestation fund. So plantation drives is there, and in agroforestry, for example, this is an area of land, and then these are small crops being planted, and then you see outside this, they are big they plant the tree. So this is agriculture and forest. This is combination of agriculture and forest. So this is agroforestry. Plantation drives, we can see that banana plantation, rubber plantation, all these protections. There are various laws that are there in protection. For example, Forest Right Act is there, national parks are there, wildlife sanctuary is there. So these are the protection measures that government is taking to ensure the increase in forest cover. So these are the reasons for increase in the forest cover. A state with maximum forest cover. So here we discussed the state which saw maximum increase in forest cover in past 2 years. That is Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Odisha. Now here we will see which state has the maximum forest cover out of their total area. So which state has the maximum forest cover out of their total area. So Madhya Pradesh is the highest forest cover. Madhya Pradesh, then we have Arunachal Pradesh, then we have Chhattisgarh, then we have Odisha, then we have Maharashtra. So you have to remember this, that first there is MP, then Arunachal Pradesh. This is Arunachal Pradesh, not Andhra Pradesh. So you have to remember this, Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, then there is Chhattisgarh, then we have Odisha, and then we have Maharashtra. So this is the order in which the states have the highest area under their forest cover. So you have to remember this: Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, and here you have to remember Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Maharashtra. Now mangrove covers. A mangrove is a shrub or tree that grows in coastal saline or brackish water. So around near the sea or ocean, like when you go to West Bengal, then there is a Sundarban Delta, or you go to Kutch area. So you will find this mangrove forest. So mangroves are salt tolerant trees. Mangrove are salt tolerant trees. These are salt tolerant trees, also called halophytes, and are adapted to live in harsh coastal conditions because they are in delta. They are in connection with the sea as well as fresh water, and the water is saline because of their connection with the sea water. So they are adapted to live in harsh coastal conditions. So as per ISFR report, mangrove cover increased by 17 square kilometer, 17 square kilometer. And the total mangrove cover in country is 4992. So you have to remember 2261 forest cover increase, 17 your mangrove, and state, which state has highest? First Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, then you have Chhattisgarh, then you have Odisha, then you have Telangana. And which state has seen the highest increase in their, in which state has seen the highest forest cover increase? Is Andhra Pradesh, and there is Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Odisha. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Odisha. So you can see mangrove cover. So West Bengal has the highest mangrove cover, area 2214 in a square kilometer, Then we have Gujarat, then Andaman Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. So you have to remember the increase. So these are the 4 important things you have to remember for your CLAT examination. This is the pie chart where you can see this is West Bengal, Andaman Nicobar, Gujarat as per this data. So this pie chart is there. Now other important information in the ISFR. So the new chapter introduced by Forest Survey of India related to assessment of forest cover in tiger reserves, corridors, and lion conservation area of India. So there is a new chapter introduced, So in which the forest cover is also assessed in tiger reserves, tiger corridors, and lion conserve area of India. Now we'll talk about carbon stock. So this you have to remember that new chapter has been introduced for the assessment of forest cover. So the total carbon stock in the country's forest is estimated to be 7204 million tons, and in an increase of 794 million tons in 2 years in the carbon stock of country as compared to the last assessment. So the forest cover increase, your forest cover increase 2261 square kilometer, your mangrove cover increase by 17 square kilometer, and carbon sink, carbon stock increased by 79.4 million tons. Carbon stock is important because of the increasing carbon dioxide emission, because of increasing of global greenhouse gases, we are witnessing global warming, and because of the global warming, there are extreme events there that we are seeing, like extreme rainfall, drought, floods, cyclone. Therefore, carbon stock becomes very important for absorption of the carbon dioxide. Forest acts as a sink of carbon dioxide. So we have seen this also. Now this information is important. They can ask a direct question that among the mega cities in the country, Ahmedabad has been the biggest loser when it comes to forest cover. So Ahmedabad is the mega country which has lost the biggest forest cover. So Ahmedabad. So among the mega cities, Ahmedabad is the country which lost the forest cover, which lost the maximum forest cover. So I have told you all the information. Now one more thing, what is major concern? Yeah, this is important. Major concern: declining forest cover in northeastern region. So why there is a decline in forest cover in the northeastern region? Because the current government is also focusing on the too much development of northeast area. So we are seeing like building of transport infrastructure, ports are there, and then connectivity between northeast state to Bangladesh, Myanmar. So many developmental steps are being taken by the government, central government as well as state government in northeastern region. And because of the development reason, we have to cut the forest because development requires clear land. So because of the developmental reasons, the northeast region is witnessing a decline in the forest cover. So this is the reason, and this is the concern, because the northeast states are very fragile state because of their topography, because of their geographical location, and the decline in forest cover can lead to landslide, flooding, earthquake. So these are the reasons which becomes a major concern in the northeast region. Northeastern region falls in seismic zone 5. So northeastern region falls under seismic zone 5, and it is a very important region for India and like develop. So we have to ensure that development take place in a way that it is a sustainable development. It does not threat the local ecology and the environment, so that the people later this development does not become a disaster. So like there are building of dams. China is also building dams in Himalayan region. India is also building dam for its shift to green energy. So all these steps, when we take these steps, we need to ensure that the development is sustainable development, so that development does not become disaster and the fruits of development can be better utilized. Now the forest cover lost in Northeast region, Arunachal Pradesh lost the maximum forest cover, then Manipur, then Nagaland, then Mizoram, then Meghalaya. So this might not they ask directly, but you have to remember the previous one, that highest increase, which state witnessed highest increase, and then you have to remember Ahmedabad increase, total forest cover increase, mangrove increase, and carbon stock. So it's time for G quiz. On the basis of our discussion, question number 1, the country's forest policy targeted forest and tree cover for of the total geographical area, fill in the blank. Your options are 24, 35, 30, 33. And the correct answer is 33. 33 currently is to 24.62% of the total geographical area. Now the second question is, which organization prepares ISFIR? Your option is Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Home Affairs, Forest Survey of India, none of the above. The correct option is Forest Survey of India. Which state witnessed the maximum growth as per ISFR 2021? Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Odisha. And the correct option is Andhra Pradesh. Which state has highest area under mangrove cover? So we have discussed this also. So which state has highest area under mangrove cover? The total increase in mangrove cover 17 square kilometer. And which state has highest? Gujarat, Odisha, West Bengal, and Maharashtra. So these are your options. So correct option is West Bengal. We had saw West Bengal, then Gujarat, then Andaman. So here on. Which mega city witnessed the maximum loss in forest cover? This is very easy question. Your options are Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad. The correct option is Ahmedabad. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Stay logical with Vidikya, your best pal in CLAT preps.